Hey guys, Larry here, CycleFab. Say, this video is about a 1-year review over a video that I did, well, a year ago, okay? And this is where I took RUSTOLEUM truck bed liner and used it on the trim on this CRV. Now, the trim originally was very faded. You can go back and watch the other video first before, I do this review of it if you'd like, or you can just watch it after this one. Link will be at the end of this video. Now, it was really faded, sun beaten, UV torn up. So what I did basically is I looked for an inexpensive cosmetic way to, repair the damage. Now, the first thing I thought about was the dye stuff. And although it may work well, I did not use it. It says pretty much on all of them, you have to retreat after 6 months. I don't want maintenance at all. I want to do it one time and that's it. So I looked towards truck bed liners. RUSTOLEUM makes one. This is what it looks like. I bought mine at Lowe's. I don't know if they carry it anymore, but you can get it at other places. I mean, it's RUSTOLEUM, all right? But they do still make it. And I paid, I think, $14 a can for it. Now, I bought 3 cans. I did not use 3 cans. I think I took the other one back, and I don't even think I completely used 2 cans. The way you use this stuff is you got a 10-minute wait time between coat, and you have to use 2 coats. So I went off the instructions. I started at one end, and I just basically went around and then just kept going around twice because it took about 10 minutes to go around the first time. Anyway, this is a picture of what it looks like now. I'm just going to do a walk around slow and let you take a look at it. It stayed on there, but the prep is what's really important. So go back and watch that other video. Like I said, it'll be here at the end of this video. Go ahead and click on it. Take a look at this one, and y'all will be seeing more of me, I promise. Thanks now. Enjoy.